Hi, everyone. Next up, we have our critical path section. This is one of my favorite sections, and this is just our summary part to that. And here's what we're going to cover in our critical path area in this section. I say this is one of my favorite parts because I'm a project manager at heart, and I always want to know how my projects are doing. I want to know where we are. Are we on schedule? Are we not on schedule? Those are important things to know. And so what we want to do is once we have our estimate done and we've done our scope of work, and the scope is going to dictate our critical path. The critical path is going to be what we're going to put together for the client. And so, in other words, it's going to tell them when we're going to start, when we're going to finish. Now, not everybody feels confident in doing this. And so you have to make sure that whatever information that you're giving is correct and that you can live by it. You don't want to make a BS critical path. This has to be something that you've thought through and you know that you can actually produce. So it's going to be our roadmap of the project. Very similar to the scope of work. It's our scope in a visual format. So we're going to teach you all about critical path management, creating a critical path in our critical path section of our online series here on Large Loss Mastery. And so it's vital. I look forward to seeing you in our section for critical path management, and we'll talk to you soon.